This video will be showing how to upgrade device firmware and factory default devices in BioStar 2. If you don't have custom firmware, skip to this timecode. If you have custom firmware, open File Explorer and go to Computer. Then, open your C drive. Open either Program Files or Program Files x86, depending on whether your BioStar install was 64 or 32-bit. Open BioStar 2. Open Firmware. Paste your firmware files here. To upgrade firmware, first, select the devices you want to upgrade. Click Firmware Upgrade. Click on the firmware version you want to change to. Click Yes. This will begin the upgrade. Once this is finished, your device will restart. Click Close. Factory defaulting a Suprema reader will put it in DHCP mode and in server-to-device mode. This is not the same as resetting the network settings manually on the back of the device. You may need to add readers to BioStar again after factory defaulting them. Factory defaulting a device will remove any slave devices, such as a secure I/O. To factory default a device, click on it. Click Reset next to Factory Default. Click Reset. Click OK. To learn how to add a device back into BioStar in case it doesn't reconnect, please watch our video on adding devices in BioStar 2.